What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can read from the title above, below, or wherever you're reading it, today is going to be a get ready with me hair slash finishing my makeup. I'm not going to be finishing my makeup on camera, but during the process of me doing my hair, I was finishing my makeup, so you guys are gonna see me slay this wig on my head. Now I typically don't do a lot of curly wigs, so this is kind of like me doing my curly hair routine on a wig. And as you guys can tell, this shit looks fire. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look right here, keep on watching. Make sure to follow me on my socials at Jazlynn Westbrook. They'll pop up around the video. And subscribe to join the family. We are growing by the dozen. We're almost at 300,000. I think we need like 9,000 more subscribers. So make sure to share with your mom, your dad, your auntie, your uncle, whoever does hair. Let's share it to them. And without further ado, let's get into this video. The hair that I'm going to be putting on my head today is from JuliaHair on AliExpress. Now their box came pretty standard. It came with a wig cap, the wig, and that was it. And it just has their Instagram, their YouTube, and their Facebook on their box. The wig that I got was the 180 density pre-plucked Brazilian curly unit. Now this is a lace front unit, so you are not getting a full lace, but I did finesse the system. I did finesse the system before I got it to where it is now, and I'm still not done with it. I'm going to be doing my natural hair routine on this wig to see what it does. I do diffuse my hair when I do wear it out. I do just pop in some Cantu creams and then I diffuse it with my diffuser. And I never really tried it on a wig, so I was just like, let's do that today. I have this wig still soaked. It is drippy, and we're just gonna pop this on my head. Now I did, like I said, pre-pluck it, making it look somewhat natural. It definitely does go to my belly button, so you guys are going to be getting length because I am 5'6", so you just got to think about that when you are getting wigs. You don't have to get a whole 30 inches just to make your hair look long. Like, get a 24 inch, it might fall to like a 26 depending on the vendor. Supplies that you're going to need is obviously some Cantu cream. Now this is the Cantu curling cream. It is the one in the jar. All of them are great. Honestly, I have the bottle in my bathroom, but for the wig's sake, I'm going to be using this little cream right here, and I'm just going to be running this throughout the whole wig before I do pop it on to give it some life, longevity, and the curls are going to be popping once you pop this in because Cantu is the best for your hair apart from, you know, Shea Moisture or whatever. Obviously, you do need to have your hair wet when you do diffuse it, so just have a spray bottle on deck. I am going to be using a little toothpick comb to like pick out the curls once the curls are diffused like full and through. So you're not going to be needing a brush while you're diffusing because you're just going to be, you know, crimping it up and, you know, scrunching the whole time. So you won't really need a brush till the end if you want to pick out some of the curls and whatnot, but apart from that, that's all you guys are going to need. So let's get right into this process. Alright, so the wig is on my head. As you guys can see, I tried to finesse the part. I tried to give it more of a realistic feel. I did pluck the lace. This is what the hair looks like when it's wet. Honestly, for a Brazilian curly wig, like, I'm honestly shook, and I'm kind of glad that I didn't get a full lace because all I really needed was my part to be popping. And with curly wigs, you don't want a thin curly wig because if you do wet it, it's just gonna look like a whole bunch of strings and it's just not gonna look full or any of that, and you can't do much. So I'm kind of glad that they gave me a lace front because it does have tracks in the back, and that adds more volume, adds more hair, adds more life for me. So I'm just gonna take off this towel because it's irritating me. What I'm gonna be doing is going in with the Cantu, like I said. Now I'm just gonna dip some of my nails up in there. I still have yet to get my nails off. Y'all are gonna clock me in the comments because you're gonna be like, girl, we seen that video yesterday. You said you was gonna get your nails off. We commented some tips for you and you did not listen, girl. Like, nah, girl, I am just like lagging on it. My nails are gonna be fixed real soon. Your girl's just busy. She is working. She just don't got time to be doing all that. But she's gonna get herself right in a little bit. Shit, I might do that this weekend. You never know. My camera's about to die, so that's great. I love filming videos when my camera's like on 2%. That's just great for me. So I'm probably gonna have to take a break. I'm just gonna make sure this is sunken into the hair before we do get into diffusing. Just make sure you guys have all the Cantu inside the hair. Make sure you get it to the root, even though it's a wig. But when you do diffuse, you don't want anything looking flat. You want the curls to be all together and perfect and flowy. But look at this. I would honestly wear it wet like this. I would just have to like cut it to frame my face, just like the front pieces. But y'all, Oh wow, with the squeaky chair and all. So I love to go do my baby hairs. I hope they look decent today. Now this side, don't clock them, but like this one's looking cute, don't mind it. Add a little bit more to the tips just so we can, you know, feel the fantasy, make sure everything's right and tight, and make sure everything looks shiny, because I hate when hair looks dry after you diffuse it. So I just want the shine to stay there. Now we're gonna go into diffusing. Now I use this cheap Revlon diffuser. I really want to try the Diva Curl one because I heard that that one is so much better and it gives you like better results. But I'm not about to pay $300. Use the low setting on warm, so you're just going to be going through the hair just like this, and literally just, you know, y'all seen the tutorials of the girls with the curly hair. They be like, yeah, like for like 2 hours, girl. I'm just gonna be doing that to this hair. So let's get into the diffusing process. Okay guys, look at the difference between the diffused side and the not diffused side. This is just damp. Don't get me wrong, some of this is still dry. It is about like 85% dry. I still need to go in and diffuse once again. But you guys can see how it already is giving volume and the shape is still there. And y'all see the thickness, like they did not come to play with you. Like I cannot wait till the curls fully dry. Like this side is kind of wet. It gives me my summer look. But the look that I want today is kind of like a light skinned Barbie type vibe. And once this is completely dry, it's gonna give me like voluminous hair. It's gonna give me everything I need. So I'm gonna start working on this side while this side dries a little bit more with natural air, and I'm just gonna be diffusing this side until it gets about 85% dry, and then I'm gonna go back to this side. Alrighty guys, I just finished diffusing this hair, and honestly, you guys, look at this volume. Look at how much hair it is. Like, it is a lot of hair, and I'm honestly shook that the curl pattern stayed kind of the same. I thought it was gonna give me more of like the swirly curls. I'm not complaining because this texture is everything. I think the way I did the baby hairs in the hairline, like I'm feeling this look. It is giving me very much little Nicki moment. Like it's kind of weird. It's something I typically wouldn't do because you guys know I don't like showing my natural hair, and my natural hair is curly. I feel like this is the only way I would wear my natural hair is if it's a little bit longer and my forehead's down, which I can achieve with a wig, so that's what I do. But as for JuliaHair, I think the company is honestly great. You guys seen the process of me trying to achieve these curls, and honestly it is one of the best curly wigs that I have had to date because the lace wasn't that hard to pluck. Now the only time I did experience shedding was after the fact that I plucked the lace, because obviously you're gonna experience, you know, shedding. Apart from that, I received no shedding. Like the tracks were sewn in right. It was a lace front unit. I would suggest if you want to do a glueless method, I would, you know, sew your own adjustable strap. They do have the little zip tie things that, like, not zip tie, but you know, the clippy thingies. You guys can use those, but for a more secure hold, I would, you know, sew an adjustable strap if you want to do a glueless like I did today. I do think I'm gonna put some highlights in this wig to give me the brown fantasy that everybody likes on me. I love my little brown numbers, so I think I'm gonna put some highlights in her. Now I want you guys in the comments down below to let me know how you guys feel about me with curly hair. Do I look exotic? Do I look like a light-skinned Barbie? I don't know. Like, how do I look today? Are you guys feeling the look? Do you guys think I should have more curly hair? Should I wear my real hair out more often? Now I showed you guys some in a smoke session when I had the 2 buns and the little swoop. I think I want to switch it up to more curly hair if I do get hair like this in the near future, because this is the only type of texture I want. I want that Brazilian curly unit. But if you guys do want the same hair that I'm rocking today, make sure to click the links down below and check out JuliaHair. They do have a lot of great deals on wigs, weaves, and more. Now whenever I do review hair, make sure they have at least a little bit of affordable stuff on their website. The wig itself only starts at $78. Like, imagine, girl, like this type of wig starts at $78. That is not bad at all for a pre-plucked, which you can just, you know, pluck it how I did and put some concealer just like this. I definitely would recommend this to anybody that wants a cheaper curly wig that is not going to be thin. Now this is not a full lace wig. If you don't mind that, you are going to be getting a lot of hair, because you guys see how much hair is on my head. Like, it's a lot, okay? Now I think it's time to announce the giveaway winner. So before I announce the giveaway winner, I do not want you guys to feel discouraged if you guys did not win this giveaway. Definitely am going to be doing tons of more wig giveaways for you guys, so stay tuned, because whenever I do these wig videos, that's when I'm going to be, you know, giving away wigs. I'll feel discouraged if you guys did not win this time, because another one is coming your way soon. The winner of this giveaway is Sarah Hernandez. She commented, "I would love a wig, you don't understand, LMFAO," and apparently she liked this video. She sent a rainbow heart emoji, and you guys did like her comments, so I definitely am going to be DMing you once this video comes out. I just want to say congratulations. I want you guys to comment down below, say congratulations, Sarah. I can't wait for you to send me pictures rocking your new wig. It is going to be cute. We're going to be having a hot girl summer. I am sending it like low-key late in the summertime, but girl, we still got a little bit of time left. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, I am going to be getting out of here. Like I said, this is just like a quick little get ready with me, do my hair with me. So if you guys did enjoy this quick little hair video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys like this curly hair. Like I said, if you guys like me with curly hair, comment down below, because it really does help me with my decisions, because like I feel like I don't look that great in curly hair, especially like my real hair, because my forehead's super big, but that's gonna get changed real quick. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. They have been popping up here and there on the video. Without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day or night wherever you guys are. I love you guys with all my heart. Peace, love, and dildos. Bye guys.